Kenya's legendary gospel artist Jemima Thiong'o, uria kuma miaka ya tene ona nginyagia riu akoretwo akirathima a Kenya na nyimbo ciake, ni muini wi gatũ muno guku bururi-ini, but sadly ni arakorirwo akiumbura ndeto itigite a Kenya mahotetwo muno na makiyumiria na njira nene muno joining hands to support this legendary queen. Jemima Thiong'o has made a medical appeal to Kenyans na agitariria gitumi na undu uria uhanikiire ke na family yake. No mbere tukirora ndeto ingirikitie guthunduka kuria mwiri wa mwanake umwe uria wirikanite to have been among the Gen Z protesters aria makorirwo magitabania mirurungano iria yacungiriirie ugubunja mbunge na kuingira kuo. Mirurungano yatigire bururi mugima wigegeire, no thutha ucio ni gwacokire kwirikana ati hena andu mataronekana. There were several people who had been abducted na kwinao already marakorirwo makirekererio, no sadly hena mwanake umwe wakorwo akionekana atetwo handu damu-ini. A student kuma cukuru wa JKUAT uria erikanite gukorwo among andu aria maingirire mbunge among the Gen Z protesters, na according to a post shared by Simon Mwangi Muthiora ni atariirie ati mwanake uyu erikanite gukorwo anyitirwo a day after protest iria ciacungiriire mirurungano kana andu kuingira mbunge. That's when he went missing more than a week ago, na mwiri wake warikia kuonekana utetwo handu damu-ini. The body is seen to be floating, bica tutekuonania kwa ihinda riri, no haha damu-ini ino niho onekana. The young man being identified as Denzel Onyango. Undu watiga a Kenya na kimako kinene muno na ciuria nyingi muno magikiuria what could have happened to him, who killed him, na later on dumped his body in this dam, na a Kenya magikaira uthuthuria na kihoto kuri family yake, no muno muno makiumiriria family ya Denzel. It is a sad day for them, na pole sana to the family. Na rukuri ndeto Jemima Thiong'o arikitie kurekereria kugira nenda yake yokinyaniria. Jemima Thiong'o ni arakorirwo akiyumiria na gukaira a Kenya makorwo makimunyitira na family yake tondu her husband has sadly been hospitalized, na atariirie uria akorirwo agitigwo ena thina after undergoing a small procedure, but it turned out to be it grew into something bigger, which led to him being immobilized. Ndangihota gwitwara na maguru make na akoretwo thibitari kwa ihinda ria mieri itatu riu, na so far they have tried to hold two fundraisers in a bid to raise money for his hospital bill and medication, nigetha mahote kuruta muthuri wake thibitari ahote gukorwo akiinuka and continue to receive treatment at home. Tondu kwa ihinda riri ena thire in two hospitals, the hospital where he was previously at and the hospital where he is currently at. Now, a humble request from Jemima Thiong'o, this being the pay bill as shared by her on her social media page, aikaira a Kenya to stand with her and her family.